Hello friend, in today's video we will talk about Acebro syrup. What is Acebro syrup used for? How should it be taken? And what are its possible side effects? Acebro syrup is a medicine used to relieve cough and breathing problems. It helps to losing thick mucus from the lungs and makes breathing easier. There are following uses of the Acebro syrups. Number one, cough. Number two, chest congestion. Number three, bronchitis. Number four, asthma. And number five, breathing difficult due to mucus. It helps to clear the airways and reduce cough. How to take Acebro syrup? Take usually 2 to 3 times a day. And its possible side effects: number one, nausea; number two, stomach upset; number three, mid headache; number four, dizziness. If you notice several allergy, vomitings, or breathing problems, stop using it and see a doctor immediately. Thank you.